Could Samsung be planning a surprise hit with the Galaxy S25 FE? The leak suggests this new fan edition phone is shaping up to be a smart pick for users who want premium features without paying flagship prices. Samsung seems to be continuing its strategy of balancing cost and performance, and if these early details are accurate, the Galaxy S25 FE could be the company's most attractive phone model yet. According to reliable sources, Samsung is expected to equip the phone with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display featuring a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and potentially boosting brightness to 2600 nits, matching the more expensive Galaxy S25 lineup. That means vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and excellent outdoor visibility. In terms of the internal specs, don't expect the latest Snapdragon processor here outside North America. Instead, Samsung may use a slightly less powerful Exynos 2400E or MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, depending on region. While that might sound like a downgrade, these chips are still capable of delivering smooth day-to-day performance and gaming. The Exynos 2400E is basically a dialed-back version of the chip inside the Galaxy S24, and even if it's not the most energy-efficient option, it should get the job done for most people. Storage and RAM configurations haven't been confirmed yet, but we can expect a solid base model with enough room for apps, media, and multitasking. On the battery side, Samsung isn't making major changes. It's likely sticking with a 4700 mAh battery. Just like last year, that size combined with One UI's power optimization should easily last a full day. It'll also support 25-watt wired charging, which isn't the fastest, but remains acceptable in this price range. The cameras on the Galaxy S25 FE are also familiar. Leaks hint at the same triple rear camera setup as its predecessor, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. That zoom lens can stretch up to 30x digitally, offering plenty of flexibility for casual photography. For selfies, there may be an upgrade to a 12-megapixel front camera. Whether it's the same sensor used in the Galaxy S25 or a more affordable one like in the Galaxy A56 isn't clear, but either way, it should provide decent results for video calls and social media. Aside from the main hardware, the Galaxy S25 FE will bring key modern features like IP67 water and dust resistance, an in-display fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, and support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. More importantly, it's expected to launch with Android 16 and One UI 8, and Samsung's latest promise of 7 years of Android updates and security patches will likely apply. This means the phone will be supported until Android 23, offering long-term peace of mind. AI tools like Circle to Search and Transcript Assist, which debuted with the Galaxy S25 series, will likely be included here too, giving users a taste of Galaxy AI even in a mid-range device. Pricing and launch timing haven't been confirmed, but if Samsung follows its usual release cycle, the Galaxy S25 FE could arrive in late 2025 with a starting price close to $649. Considering the mix of performance, display quality, camera capabilities, and long-term software support, this might be one of the best value-for-money phones Samsung has launched in recent years. Whether you're upgrading from an older Galaxy or switching from another brand, the S25 FE could be worth the wait. Let us know if you'd consider buying it, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more weekly tech updates.